patient, you check it in two ways. Fixation first to the skin. For example, if this is a swelling here, and this is the skin over it, okay? If you can pinch the skin above the tumor, you can separate the skin from the tumor. Then you can pinch it. This is indicate that it is not fixed to the skin. It is not attached. It is not tethered to the skin. Okay. If it is fixed to the skin, you cannot move the skin above it. Then this is tethered to the skin or fixed to the skin. Then you move the swelling over the underlying structures. Okay, in two directions. Two directions crossing each other. If it is movable, then you will tell this is a mobile. It is not fixed to the underlying structures. For example, if I want to make sure that this lump is fixed here to the chest wall, for example, if you remove it up and down, it's moving, but when you remove it transverse, it's not moving. Maybe it is attached to muscle. And muscle لما تكون relaxed, you can move the tumor with the muscle together. In this case, you have to put the muscle in action. To put the muscle in action. يعني شنو تخلي المصل تبقى contracted. For example, pectoralis muscles, I now am contracting my pectoralis muscles. Then you try moving the tumor to see if it gets fixed, and it is attached to that muscle. Okay, it's attached to that muscle. In lumps in the abdomen, if I want to know whether this lump is intra-abdominal or extra-abdominal, what to do? ده lump موجودة هنا وأنا ما أعرف هل اللمبة دي موجودة في anterior abdominal wall or it's coming from the peritoneum down. How to know? You have to contract the abdominal muscles. How to contract the abdominal muscles? Ask the patient to raise head against resistance. ارفع راسك وانت تكون ضاغط راسك من تحت. Against resistance, this will contract the abdominal muscles. If this swelling disappears, that means it is intraperitoneal. لأن المسلز شدت أخفتها. If it becomes more prominent, معناها it is subcutaneous. It is subcutaneous. It is external to the peritoneal cavity. Then after that, we do a regional examination. You check for the draining lymph nodes. That is swelling, the neurovascular status. Neurovascular status. For example, if there is swelling here, okay, then I look to the draining lymph nodes. مش كده؟ أشوف lymph nodes at the inguinal region to see whether they are enlarged or not. Because if this is an infection, you will find a tender enlarged lymph nodes. We call this lymphadenitis. If it is a malignancy, then you will find a painless hard مش كده؟ enlarged lymph nodes زي melanomas والulcers وكده. Examination of ulcer and examination of swelling, they are almost always similar with only very few differences. Then you go to examine this swelling is here, then the sublime vessel will be here مش كده proximal to it. I will check the popliteal artery, okay? And then you check the venous drainage of the lymph. Is it okay or obstructed by this tumor? By this, I think we will cover that palpation, and then you go to percussion. Percussion will be over big mass. You see, the mass is just small like this. It's very some to percuss it much. If it's a little bit enlarged, then you can percuss. To know whether this contains gases مش كده يمكن يكون swelling هنا ويكون strangulated hernia يكون فيه باول صح strangulated hernia حاولت ترجعها ما رجعت كفي impulse أنها strangulated ما ظهرت معك when you percuss you will find it resonant معناها this containing gas معناها this is bowel مش أو تلقاها dull or stony dull like in case of pleural effusion. This is percussion over the mass, especially if the mass is bigger. For example, splenomegaly, you percuss over it, hepatomegaly, you percuss over it. And then you auscultate over the mass. Okay? Use a stethoscope. Sometimes you might find a fluid if the mass is vascular. That can be a malignant tumor, very vascular. Or you can aneurysmal dilatation, or vascular malformation. In this case, you can hear a fluid over the lung. Any question regarding examination of lung? Any question?